What is going on, my people of the internet? I have a couple of things that I want to discuss with you, and I want it to be just that, a discussion. Now, I have to apologize in advance to anybody who subscribed to my channel strictly for motorcycle-related content, but if you watched my last video, link in the description, you'll know that unfortunately I can't upload any motorcycle-related content right now because, well, it's winter time and I live in New York. Which, by the way, if you did watch last week's video where I asked you guys to give some kind of input on what I should upload to the channel while I'm not able to be out on my bike, and you actually did leave me some opinions, I just wanted to let you know that the love was graciously received and I really appreciate all the positive feedback that you all gave me. But anyway, on to today's topics. If for some reason you have no idea what's going on within the YouTube community, a couple of weeks ago, YouTube announced that they'd be drastically revising their eligibility requirements for the partnership program. Now, a year or so ago, they announced that all you had to do was have 10,000 lifetime views over the span of your entire channel. And when they first announced it, I had already long surpassed that requirement, but I chose not to monetize my videos anyway, but we'll get to that in just a second. Now, for the new smaller channels, that was a huge hurdle to overcome. So when these smaller channels finally did overcome the hurdle of the 10,000 lifetime views, it felt like a carpet was being ripped right out from underneath them with YouTube's new announcement of the new eligibility requirements. Now, effective February 20th, you'll have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 total hours watched within the span of the past year. Now, a common misconception that I've been seeing from these small YouTubers is that they're thinking that, oh my god, now I have to upload 4,000 hours of content. No, obviously that's not the case. Similar to the previous requirements of 10,000 lifetime views, you'll have to have 4,000 hours watched in total over the past year, not 4,000 hours uploaded. So for example, if you upload weekly, at the end of the year you'll have 52 videos. And let's just say for simplicity's sake, each one of those videos are exactly 10 minutes long. Based on that algorithm, you'll need 462 people to watch every single one of your videos from beginning all the way till the end. So for some channels that make 10 to 15 to 20 minute long videos, it's really not going to be such a huge hurdle to overcome. But for the channels that make 2 to 5 minute clips and don't get a whole lot of traffic on their channel, that's going to be basically impossible for them to reach. And what's even worse, YouTube is refusing to grandfather in any channel that's currently in the partnership program that no longer will meet the requirements. So my other channel that I've had since 2006 and have been a partner for nearly the entire time will no longer be eligible. So I'm sure you're beginning to see how dramatically this affects all the small YouTubers. Now, the huge concern that a lot of small YouTubers are having is that they'll no longer be able to monetize their videos. But I just want to point something out to you that are affected and concerned about it. Now remember, the previous requirement was 10,000 lifetime views over the span of your entire channel, and at the time of that announcement, everybody was furious about having to reach that. But I want you to understand something. Even if you were able to monetize your videos before reaching 10,000 lifetime views, what kind of money did you possibly expect to be getting out of ad revenue before reaching 10,000 lifetime views? I mean, people who have overcome the 10,000 lifetime view mark and have just recently started monetizing their videos are literally making cents to the dollar. Now sure, cents can add up to $1 or two over the course of a month, but even if you do monetize every single one of your videos, that doesn't necessarily mean that you'll be generating revenue with every single view. Sometimes an ad may not even show up on a monetized video. So this is exactly why I never started to monetize my videos, because I want you guys to know that I make videos for you. I have a full-time job where I don't need to supplement my income an extra $40 a year. I could see if you were generating enough traffic to make that in 1 week, but let's be honest, if you were struggling to reach the 10,000 lifetime view mark, there's no way that you're making that in a year, let alone a week. And I've seen so many small YouTubers have the reaction like giving up, like quitting YouTube. And I say good. Maybe you should quit, because clearly you're doing this for the wrong reason. If you create content solely for the 10 cents that you might get from it, then I say good riddance. But to the rest of you small YouTubers, keep your head up and use this opportunity to step your game up. So here lies my personal issue with the new eligibility requirements for the partnership program. I've already told you that I don't monetize my videos right now, so that incapability doesn't really affect me. What does affect me is the ability to use end cards and the ability to schedule my uploads. Now, I upload to a very strict schedule every Monday at 9 a.m. But I'm at work at that time, so I schedule all my uploads to be published right at 9 a.m. But in order to utilize the capability to schedule your uploads and use end cards, you have to be within the partnership program. And now that I'll be losing my eligibility and my partnership status, I'll most likely have to change my upload schedule, or at least the time of the day. And that may seem like a first world problem, but what if my subscribers had an expectation? What if they expect my videos to be uploaded right at 9 a.m.? Sure, I guess I can change my upload schedule from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., but I shouldn't have to do that. What does that have to do with advertiser-friendly content? because that's what this whole thing is about, ensuring that smaller and newer channels don't upload unoriginal and copywritten material and make money from it. But at any rate, I'm sure that people will still figure out a way to manipulate the system. Now I've got one last update for you guys. I've created a store over at teespring.com for merchandising. I know just a few minutes ago I said I don't need to supplement my income, and believe me, I don't. I've just created some merchandise in the event that you wanted to showcase your love for the channel. It's not about money. I've minimized the profit margin as much as Teespring would allow me to make the merch that much more affordable for you. So if you're interested, the link will always be in the description of my videos. I don't feel obligated because, like I said, it's not about money. This is strictly for you guys. So if you want, grab a tee, grab a tank, grab a hoodie, and I'll be adding more products and designs as the store grows, because right now all I have is the design that's shown on the screen right now for you GSXS 1000 riders. But anyway, like I said, let's make this a discussion. If you're a small content creator that currently doesn't meet the requirements to be in the partnership program, or you'll be losing your eligibility to be in the partnership program like myself, let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what my viewers think. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching and contributing to my 4,000 hours watched. I'll see you guys in the next video.